Hi friends, what's up and welcome to my channel. I'm Iris and in today's video I'm going to tell you how to make this adorable succulent plant decor. And yeah, let's go start with the video. So I take this bowl from IKEA, but you can use every bowl that you have. And I put this on my table. I take those rocks from IKEA, but you can use any rocks you have, and I put them into my bowl. Like this. Again, it's from IKEA. I just love IKEA stuff. And I take the succulent and I put it where I want, like this. And here's the completed succulent plant decor. Don't forget to read the description down below. Go to my site, subscribe, click the bell, comment below and give this video a thumbs up. And I see you in the next video. Bye! Oh, and yeah, I forgot to tell that in my site I have all my DIYs of this channel and more.